Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some happy mail to share. Oh my gosh, Christian. Oh my goodness. My girl, Christian. Christian is Christian's Crafty Adventure on YouTube. I just got it. It is Monday, May 4th. I just got it in the mail. I'm so excited. I saw Louisa open her happy mail. I was like, oh my God, that is so gorgeous. Well, anyway, let's get into this. You guys, check her. Oh my God. I'm screaming. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Christian. I got goosebumps. I'm so excited. Oh my God, look at this girl. All these goodies that she's been sharing with everybody, ready to go. What? Let me see if she put a note in here. Like, oh my God, look at this thing. Oh my God. I'm screaming and I'm trying not to scream, but just know that I want to scream out loud, okay? Christian! Oh my goodness, lady, look at this gorgeousness. Oh my God, look at her layers, people. And she fussy cuts this. There's 5 layers, 6 layers. Oh yes, how sweet it is, Christian. Oh my goodness. Oops, I'm gonna just adjust this little bit so that I could get a little bit closer to you guys. There we go. OMG. Okay, I want to set it up because this is gorgeous. Christian, look. Oh my gosh, Christian. Beautiful. Look at this kitty. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I cannot. This is so crazy. Wow, I don't even know. Oh my God. Look at these teeny tiny flowers, this lady. Oh, you guys, this coffee cup is to die for. Ooh, look at the back. It's so cute. Look at this. Wow. I am so in love. Christian, this is amazing. Look, in this little tiny envelope. It's like a 5x7 envelope, okay? I'm gonna cover her address. Look at the little washi, the pretty washi. All of this is in here. Oh my God! Squeaky squeak scream. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am so in love, Christian. Thank you so much. I'm honored. I am so honored to have this gorgeous little teeny tiny traveler's notebook. Oh my God, look at the tiniest Velcro. Oh my God, and she has string. Oh my God. I love this color, Christian. Girl. And she has layers on this heart. Did you even see this heart? It's 3 layers of hearts, which I love. Look at this. Can you see that? Oh wait, let me show it this way. Can you see the 3 layers of hearts right here? With this gorgeous little teeniest of tiniest flowers. And I think she used the, what are those dots thingamajigs called? Don't quote me. I don't know it yet because I'm still learning all these new things from just to craft. Beautiful color. I love that. Look at this teeny tiny. This is what made me, okay. I saw Christian's video before I started making the teeny tiny tassels. And I mentioned in my video that this lady made these paper tassels. Lady meaning Christian, okay? And they're so tiny. Like, that's what got me going on the tiny embellishments from the scraps, making the flowers. She made the bees. pockets. She made the, I got my tassels, but it's so out of reach. But this is beautiful. Look at this, dreamer. Thanks. Heart of gold, Christian. Look at this. Look at how many pages is in this thing. And it's a pocket. This is a pocket right there. Oh my God. Look at this. And then there's, oh my God. Christian. Oh, I gotta watch that tutorial. Oh my goodness. Look at this gorgeous teeny tiny prints. She is so good with these teeny tiny things. Like, that is a beautiful print, Christian. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so cute. I can't wait to put some pictures in this thing. And both sides are beautiful. Look at that. Oh, I was so in love with Louisa's book that she had, and I did not have a clue this was coming. I didn't think she was sending me all these goodies. Look, I've only touched the little book here. There's so much. Look at these beautiful, oh my goodness. And this, Christian. And look at all these layered hearts. Look at this thing. And this beautiful paperclip. I was watching her make these things. Her video. So gorgeous. And her voice is so soothing. So easy to listen to. Not like me. I'm just always loud and screechy. And she even put bows in here. Oh my gosh. Look at this little boy. I don't even know. Are these the ephemeras that you colored? Is this the stamp, Christian? Because is it Doodlebug? Look at this thing. I'm so humbled. Like, this is so beautiful. Christian. You know my daughter's name is Christian, right? My favorite name is Christian. That's my daughter's name. So my daughter's a baby in December, and I figured if it's a boy or a girl, because at the time I didn't know what I was having. If it's a boy or a girl, Christian is a beautiful name to have named them. Look at this cake. Oh my God. Oh, that's so precious. This is so cute. I don't know if I would even use these on anything. I would probably frame every single piece and keep it for myself. Because I'm horrible like that. Look at the balloons, you guys. Did I show you the balloons? They're triple layered. Oh my gosh. She is amazing. I love it. Look at this bow. It's super tiny. This bow is super tiny. Oh my God. Oh, another tassel. Look at this thing. Look at that. So see? Oh my goodness. Christian. Girl, your name. I'm gonna wear your name out for sure. Look at this little boy. Oh, you're so cute. Look at this. You guys. Oh my gosh. Please go check her out. She is so freaking cute. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at this pennant. At the llama. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is such a great idea. Oh my gosh. What a cute Happy Mail. Such an adorable Happy Mail. My goodness. Christian, everything is so beautiful. Love, this is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Really, I don't know what to say. I really am so humbled and grateful. Look at this elephant. in a freaking wheelbarrow. Look at this. Not a wheelbarrow, a little wagon. Oh my God. I love everything, Christian. This is some hard work and dedication. If you had colored all of these, hats off to you, Mama, because this is a lot of work. Doodlebug is gonna soon be my new favorite thing because look at all of this. She's amazing. She is amazing. Anyway, check her out. Christian's Crafty Adventure here on YouTube, and I believe also on Instagram. And I will link her channel and her IG in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Let's see, what is your favorite item here? For me, it'll be the book, because whatever I could fit of these into this book, it's gonna be for me. And go and let Christian know you came from here, and give her some love, because this is a lot of work. And you guys, she's a superhero nurse, okay? Let's give her some love. This is a lot of dedication. She works and she crafts and she does these beautiful, beautiful pieces. Okay, let me stop talking. Thank you. I love you all. And don't forget, I'm going live on Wednesday. And tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo. So have fun, be safe, and enjoy your family. Bye, guys.